morning, children. In continuation of chapter motion, today we will discuss velocity, mass, and weight. Velocity, the distance traveled by an object in unit time and in given direction, is called its velocity. Here in velocity, three factors important. First one, distance traveled and time and direction, means displacement and time. Velocity is equal to displacement upon time. The SI unit is the velocity is meter per second, like a speed, but velocity is a vector quantity. It has magnitude as well as direction. Now next topic is uniform velocity. If an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time in given direction, is said to be uniform velocity. For example, if an object moves a distance of 1 meter every second in the same direction, is said to be uniform velocity. Now, non-uniform velocity or variable velocity. Velocity depends upon three factors: distance, time and direction. So first one, an unequal distance in equal interval of time in a given direction. Second one, equal distance in equal interval of time but its direction keep on changing. Third one, unequal distance in equal interval of time and also its direction keep on changing. In first case, distance is unequal but time interval and direction same. In second, equal distance and equal time interval but direction changing. And third one, unequal distance and equal interval time and direction also changing. These are the variable velocity or non-uniform velocity. Now, difference between speed and velocity. The first point is the speed of body is distance traveled by per unit time. Okay, and velocity of a body is distance traveled by per unit time in given direction. The main difference is direction. Both are same, but main difference is direction. In speed, no any direction is given, but velocity is given the direction. Second one point, speed is scalar quantity, whereas velocity is vector quantity. Third point, speed tells us how fast an object moves, whereas velocity tells us how fast an object in what direction an object move. So main difference is the speed and velocity is direction. Speed has only scalar quantity, have only magnitude, whereas the velocity has the magnitude as well as direction. Now second point is mass. The mass of a body is defined as the amount of matter contained in it. The mass of body constant everywhere. Okay, it is not change place to place or direction. Whereas the SI unit of mass is kilogram and some multiple unit is gram and milligram. Now, measurement of mass. The simplest instrument used for the mass is beam balance. Okay, now physical balance, it is mainly used for scientific purpose and by jewelers for those measurement where high accuracy is needed. Nowadays, electronic weighing machine is also used for measurement of mass. Now next topic is weight. What is the weight? Children, we know that all things are fall downwards when left free or unsupported. This is because earth exert a pressure. It happened due to the force of pull or gravity exerted by the earth. So we can say the weight of an object is the force with which it is attracted by the earth towards its center. So the force of gravity from changes to place, so weight of body also changes to place. Now units of weight. Weight is also a type of force, so the weight unit of weight is Newton. SI unit of weight is also Newton. It can also express in the kilogram force and gram force. So 1 kilogram force equal to 9.8 Newton or approximately 10 Newton. In other words, we can say 1 kilogram force is defined as the force with which the earth attracts a body of mass 1 kilogram towards its center, or we can say 1 gram force is defined as the force with which the earth attracts a body of mass 1 gram towards its center. Measurement of weight. The device used to measure weight is called spring balance. Now, children, differences between mass and weight. First point is the amount of matter contained in a body is called its mass. Now, weight. The weight of a body is the force with which it is attracted by the earth towards its center. Second point, the mass of a body is constant and does not change with the place and position of the body. Okay. Now, weight of a body depends on the force of gravity and thus changes from place to place. Now, third point, the mass of body can never be zero. Weight. The weight of the body can be zero if no force of gravity acts on the body. Fourth point, the SI unit of the mass is kilogram. The SI unit of weight is Newton. Now, fifth point, the mass of body measured by simple beam balance or physical balance, whereas the weight of the body measured by spring balance. Children, it is all about your chapter motion. Thank you, children.